It's draw time! Hi friends, welcome to Draw Time. Today we're going to draw something magical, something sparkly, and something super duper cute. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's a unicorn. Unicorns are so special and colourful, and they always bring happiness and magic wherever they go. Are you excited? Because I am super excited. Let's draw her strong, steady feet, so she can stand proudly like a magical unicorn should, ready to shine and show everyone her beauty. Did you see that colourful horn? It's so cool, ha ha ha! After that, let's make her tail long and elegant, like she's the most magical unicorn in a sparkling dreamland. Ta-da! We finished the outline of our unicorn. Wow, look at that beautiful unicorn! I'll go over the lines again to make them thicker, so our unicorn really pops and shows her amazing shape. Whoa! Our unicorn is colourful. That is so beautiful. It's colour time, our favourite part. Ha ha ha! Watch closely as we bring our unicorn to life with beautiful colours. I'm so excited. How about you, my friend? Ha ha ha! This is the part where she starts to look magical and full of colours. Colour violet. Let's start colouring her beautiful hair. First, we'll use violet. Look how soft and pretty this violet colour is. Doesn't it look like clouds in a magical sunset? Whoa! Colour pink. Next, we'll add some pink. Pink is such a happy colour, isn't it? It's like candy, cotton candy, and warm hugs. Can you imagine the unicorn smiling because her hair is turning so cute? I think it makes her look dreamy and gentle. Colour yellow. Now it's time for yellow. Yellow is bright and sunny. It feels warm, like sunshine on your cheeks. Colour green. Let's add some green. Green is fresh like leaves, grass and nature. It makes our unicorn look alive and playful. Colour blue. And now we'll finish with blue. Blue is calm and peaceful, like the sky and the ocean. It makes her hair look extra magical. Do you think she might fly through the clouds one day? I think she can, because she's a special unicorn. Are you having fun colouring with me? I'm having so much fun with you! Colour pink. Let's start colouring her tail. First, I'll use pink. Pink is such a happy, warm colour. It feels like candy and hugs and soft clouds. Can you imagine her tail swishing gently while she smiles? So sweet. Did you know unicorns love colours? The brighter, the better, just like our drawing. Colour yellow. Now I'll add some yellow. Yellow is bright like sunshine on a beautiful day. It makes everything feel cheerful. Look how it makes her tail glow, like she's carrying sunshine with her everywhere she goes. Colour blue. Are you excited to see the finished drawing? Oh, I am excited too. I can't wait to show you. Unicorns like to play hide and seek behind rainbows. Can you find them? Peekaboo! color violet. And let's color the feet violet. It gives her a sweet, gentle look, like she's stepping carefully in a magical world full of happiness. If her feet touched the grass, do you think flowers would pop out and say hello? I think the flowers would be so excited to see her. Color pink. Are you enjoying watching our drawing today? I hope it's making you smile big. Unicorns are very friendly. They love making new friends, like you. I wonder what our unicorn's favorite snack is. Maybe rainbow cupcakes? Do you like drawing with lots of colors? Me too. Colors make everything happy. And ta-da! We did it! Our unicorn turned into a super magical, happy friend. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun drawings. Bye-bye, friends.